The Flex company, we need to talk. Something told me, use a pad, girl, use a pad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a product review on the Flex company's soft disc. Now they say that these initially used to be called Softcup. You guys can see it there. They recently did a name change. These for free in exchange for my honest review. Now with a lot of the products that I get, I don't necessarily have to do a video for them. However, if I like a product a lot, or if I really want to get out some information that I feel would help the public, then I make a video. This is the reason I made a video. Okay, so I've never used this type of a product before when it comes to my menstrual cycle, because I'm just old school. I'm one of those people, I like tampons and I like pads. However, I have been trying things differently, just like how I recently tried the reusable pads. So I have a video for that. I'll have it along the screen here, and I'll also have it at the end if you guys want to check it out, and you'll see my review on that. So I was excited when I received these in the mail. So let me tell you, this right here is supposed to be a 12-hour protection, and it is like a cup, like a disc, and they say that this is supposed to last up to 12 hours, and it's supposed to catch everything that comes out during your monthly cycle, and it has 14 disposable discs inside. So there are 14 inside, but I think I used about 3 to do my review, and let me break it down. So I'm just gonna take this and set it to the side. So this is the package that it comes in, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like it's hard around the edges, but it's really not. It's actually pretty soft, pretty flexible, but as you can see, it opens up here, and the fluid is supposed to be caught here in this area as it sits inside of your body for 12 hours. Now with this, they also said that you can use this during intimacy. I didn't use it during intimacy. Guys, let me just, okay. Okay, here's the good thing. These, they go in and you do not feel them. That is definitely a plus about this product. I cannot lie and say that this was uncomfortable. This was very comfortable once I inserted it, and it's not like a tampon where when you put a tampon in, you put it in and then it goes in an upward motion. With this one, it goes in exactly like you see it. You're supposed to squeeze it together, and then when you insert it just like this, and then it's supposed to mold to fit your body. Maybe it didn't mold to fit my body. I don't know, but I gave it quite a few tries. So the first day. So I inserted this on the first day, and I was thinking, oh yeah, this might just work. But something told me, do not use this product unless you use a pad. Use a pad, girl, use a pad. So I ended up doing it like that, and then I was noticing, I said, okay, seems to be an awful lot of fluid on my pad. Maybe I put it in wrong. Okay, so fine. The first time I put it in wrong, okay? I didn't pay attention. You are not supposed to put it in like a tampon. You're supposed to put it straight out. So that was my first mistake. That was my bad. That was on me. I take the blame. So then I did it the proper way. I squeezed it tightly, put it in there, and I let it mold to my body. And about 6 hours passed, and I was just like, I feel that wet feeling. You guys know what I'm talking about. That wet feeling when you're walking around and you're like, I feel like I constantly need to check my underwear. But yes, I was wearing a pad because, like I said, I knew something wasn't right. So every time that I would check it, it would be more and more fluid. And so I ended up saying, you know what, at the 6 hour mark, I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and take this out. So I took it out, There was nothing right here, okay? There was nothing right here. It was here, it was here, it was there. It was completely messy. I'm having to wash my hands and I'm having to clean up the bathroom, just everything. And it was just like, did I fail again? Is it me? So I decided, you know what? I'm getting ready to go to work. I don't want to go to work and then have this mistake happen. So I'm just going to go like I normally would, and that is with the pad. So I came back and I said, you know what? You're not going to defeat me. I'm going to do this again. So once again, I inserted this cup and I put it in exactly like it was recommended on the box. Hold on. So you guys will see. Hold on. So on the box, it says step 1, insert and squeeze the opposite sides of the rim together. Insert the disc completely into the area. The soft disc molds itself to your unique eternal shape, creating a personal fit. Then they said to remove this, simply hook the finger under the rim and pull slowly. I did everything. Can you guys see that? I did everything that was required of me. And this time it was just a tiny bit here. The rest was all around the rim, all around the outside. And that's when I said, you know what? When it comes to your menstrual cycle, when it comes to your period, when it comes to anything about that, you want less mess as possible. Okay, you just want to get in there and get out, go. And this is too much work. Okay, it makes me kind of wonder, did this work for anybody else? If it worked for you, comment down below. If you're a loyal user of these type of products, comment down below, tell me about it. Because for me, I was left disappointed. I really wanted to like this product. And in the end, I was left completely disappointed, to the point where I was just like, you know what? I'm not trying it again. I mean, I don't know what else to do other than to give this to somebody else that who it might work for, but it definitely did not work for me. So guys, if you're interested in trying a soft disc product, then I'm sure there are others out there that will work, but just for me, the Flex Company's soft disc / soft cup did not meet the mark. So guys, if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, comment down below, hit that like button, share this video with everybody you know, and guys, I will see you all in my next product review. Bye.